Tactical backpack. I advise you not to buy it. Firstly, I would like to emphasize that I understand your perspective on tactical backpacks. However, I believe that when evaluating tactical backpacks, we need to consider various factors more comprehensively, including its design, functional applicability, and other scenarios. It is undeniable that the appearance of many tactical backpacks, brand and faith are both attractive factors. However, this does not mean that they have no practical use. Tactical backpacks are usually designed to meet the needs of professionals, such as military and police. Therefore, they have many practical functions and characteristics. For example, tactical backpacks typically have excellent load-bearing capacity and stability, can meet the demand for carrying heavy loads for a long time. They also have good durability and wear resistance, can be used in harsh environments. In addition, tactical backpacks typically have multiple storage pockets and compartments, convenient classification and storage of various items. This is also very useful for outdoor activities or travel. Of course, for general outdoor enthusiasts or ordinary people, it may not be necessary to have many professional features like tactical backpacks. If you need to engage in long-term outdoor activities or travel, or you may need to carry a large amount of items, a tactical backpack may be a good choice. Although tactical backpacks may not be suitable for everyone, but if you need a durable, stable, and practical backpack, and interested in tactical style, so tactical backpacks may be a worthwhile choice to consider. Of course, it is best to conduct thorough investigation and comparison before making a purchase, to ensure that the selected backpack meets your actual needs and preferences.